Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a long awaited video of the Wild Earth Sun Canopy, and here it is in its splendour. I've managed to get a lovely day to film it, so I'm going to be doing that now. Unfortunately, we've got a little bit of background noise because the gardeners are cutting all the grass here, so if we get a little bit background noise, I do apologise. Now, first of all, let's take a look at what we get inside the bag that makes up this lovely canopy. And from left to right, we have 8 pegs, and we have 8 luminous green coloured guy ropes, which are great to prevent you tripping over them in the night. Next to that, we have 3 aluminium poles. Now these are telescopic and very lightweight. They're twist to lock. I'll show you those in a moment. And finally, we have the canopy, which is 2.4 by 3 metres in size, which is a coverage of 7.2 square metres. It is made of 210T Ritstock polyester, which is very strong and ultra lightweight. It's also got 3000 millimeters of PU coating, which makes it waterproof. Now, going back to the poles, they do come with steel poles which are powder coated. Now, in my opinion personally, I would prefer the ones that we've got here in the video, which are the lightweight aluminium twist to lock poles. Let me show you how they work now. Okay, so I said I'd mention the poles themselves. We have 2 arrows on here. We have one for move, which is turning it that way, and to turn it clockwise, you lock it up. It's quite simple really, so we'll just extend it a little bit, like so, and then we'll follow the instructions, which you actually turn the pole that you want to lock tight, not the base. So there you go, that's now locked really tight. Now, the advantage of these over the actual steel poles is they're very lightweight, and also you can adjust them to any height you want, which I think is a really good idea. So highly recommend the aluminium poles. Let's get it on the side of the Caravan now. So it's that simple to set up. Now if you do buy this Wild Earth canopy, what I would recommend is get yourself some awning locks that just secure into the awning rails, and one on either side, and that will keep it from sliding. Especially with my awning rail, it's quite slippery. So I've currently got it set up in its main configuration, that is with 3 poles and a total of 7 guy ropes, and it's quite robust. I mean, it's pretty windy today, as you can see the canopy lifting, but nonetheless it's staying quite firm. Now, not only is it a sun canopy, but you can also turn it into a shelter. If you remove the centre pole and actually put the 2 poles on the inner centre eyelets here, you'll find that it'll give you a nice shelter like so. Well folks, that is the Wild Earth Sun Canopy from Wild Earth, based in Cheshire. I first saw this at the Manchester show at the beginning of the year, and I was really impressed by the build quality of it. It's very well sewn together, and also the eyelets are good quality and they're not going to fall out after 1 or 2 uses. The ripstop material that forms the actual canopy itself is good quality, and the fact that it's waterproof is a brilliant bonus in my opinion. Now this weighs at 140 grams, which is very lightweight, and that includes the poles, so it's not going to eat up to your payload, so you can leave it in the caravan, camper van or motorhome, and it'll stow away quite easily. Now, the thing that I also like about this is the aluminium poles. Now, you can get them as steel, as I mentioned before, but these are the alloy poles, and these are really lightweight and good quality. I like the fact that once you've pulled them out, adjusting to the height you want, you can twist and lock them into position and they stay there. They don't collapse and they don't fall down. All in all, I was very impressed, especially today when I was filming, because it was quite windy. Once I got it all set up, they never moved once. Now at present this is £110, and I think that's a bargain. So much so I'm going to leave a link to the website so you can check this out further, because it does come in different colours, and also I'll leave an Amazon link should you wish to purchase one. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.